Chasalo Auxilium Girls School near Twidulmwng by Kaisa Auxi Ignite Annual Exhibition 2026 Chengsajakha. Salni Pandao Narowai Okra Wngwi Manjakha IPS Officer Abala Ramesh Reddy no Khobwi Kwchuk Berem officers ro.
Located in Khorang, the beautiful town of Berem.
Asalo rungsrungnai zigroni bishingu teibo scientific temper creativity ni naharmango Asalo Auxilium Girls School ni Twidulmwng by Kaisa Auxi Ignite Annual Exhibition 2026 ni Panda Chengsajakha.
Today, I welcome you all for the Auxi Ignite by Auxilium Girls School. It's the annual school exhibition. So nice to see very lovely and enthusiastic kids. I appreciate Auxilium Girls School's management for organizing this exhibition. So it widens the horizons of the kids out of the classrooms also, because tomorrow they are the future citizens, and they have to understand the experiments in their life as well as how the society functions. So this all comes through practical exhibitions and all. I appreciate their encouragement to organize that in the very early beginning of the school career. So that helps them, like they are away from the examination pressures. Even parents also can participate and encourage them to see whatever best available in the society, and that will help people to become good leaders, good scientists, good officers, and good journalists, teachers, and good farmers also. So good citizens end of the day. So I wish all the best to the Auxiliums team as well as all the kids. My best wishes are there.
Our Tripura traditional dish. Be exposed.
Raja Khorang Nisimi Amit ni Kokthum Chini Khorang.